Alrighty then, let's have a quick look at oil. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, a quick look at the oil chart. Someone said on the video, they said, do I think oil could cause the next financial crash? Geez, that's a hard question, and the answer is maybe there's a crude oil, or maybe there's an oil business or something like that, big business, Rio, BHP, maybe they're struggling, maybe something's happened with them. Maybe I would say unlikely, because oil's been going down for quite some time and it really hasn't created a financial crash. It actually crashed, as you can see, in mid 2014, where you just got hammered, right? Down 1 year in like 60%, and then we just continued down from there. Now we might be forming a bit of a basing pattern, but that's yet to be seen. So will it cause the next financial crash? Maybe. I doubt it. I think there's more chances of, like the Dutch bank going under, or the big banks having massive losses on their books because of the gold market going up, and so on and so forth. Yeah, I could go on and on about the different problems that are out there right now. But if you have a look at what the overall market is doing, let's have a quick look at this daily chart here. You can actually see the daily chart on oil is actually quite weak. I expect this market to hold here. Looking at oil, I expect this market to have this low peak, and a lower peak. We had this low trough. So I'm expecting, even if oil has a little bit more up move on this line daily chart, you can see here that if we go back, we go green, even if we get a little bit more upside, I think we're likely to hold there. And then I think we're likely to start doing that sort of action as well too. So a bit of a basing pattern as well too. Looking at there, we have a whole ton of support and resistance levels. That's where I said if we get a little bit right up there, I think we're likely to pause. And then I think we're likely to get a lot more downside coming into the oil market. So a quick little update on oil market, guys. This to me is actually a big rounding top, or it's a nice rounding top pattern. And some could say that this might even be a head shoulder, but I'm definitely pushing it if I'm going to call that a head and shoulder. So there we go, guys. Bit of an update on crude. Guys, it's definitely seems like it's topping out. It definitely seems like we could be breaking down. But if we do break above the 50 mark, then I think we have a lot more upside to come. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.